Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure your device is ready and your Apple ID is signed in. Once done, open Wallet and add a card. You know why? The App Store uses your Apple ID payment sheet tied to Wallet, so adding and verifying a card is the first actionable step. Follow either the camera capture or manual entry, then complete bank verification when prompted. Make sure the card appears as active in Wallet before moving on to App Store settings. Next, configure device authentication and the App Store payment method so purchases use Apple Pay. Go Enable Face ID or Touch ID for purchases and confirm passcode settings. This ensures secure authorization at checkout. Then open your App Store account, pick Payment and Shipping, and select Apple Pay or the specific wallet card you added. Make sure your billing and shipping details match what your bank expects. Mismatches can trigger declines. Once set, the App Store will present Apple Pay at checkout. To finish, tap a price or buy button in the App Store and watch for the Apple Pay sheet. Confirm the correct card and total, then authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. You'll see a check mark and receipt when complete. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting step. Verify your card is active in Wallet and that your device has internet and correct region settings. If still declined, contact your bank and retry after they clear any holds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.